This message has been brought to you by the National Weather Service. Please stand by for the following emergency alert system tone. The National Weather Service in Hamilton, Ohio has issued a rainstorm warning. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. According to the radar, a rainstorm just passed us. This is the reason why we issued a rainstorm warning in case it's about to come back. Please carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat with a hoodie at this time. Thank you for listening to this emergency alert system. We really appreciate it. We will now return you to regular programming.